What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. Well, today is Treat Yourself Sunday.
Clothes.
Treat yourself.
Fragrances.
Treat yourself.
Massages.
Treat yourself.
Mimosas.
Treat yourself.
Fine leather goods.
Treat yourself.
It's the best day of the year.
So how are we celebrating? We're making an apple blueberry crumble. Let's get started. But wait, before you watch the rest of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I've got the apples, I've cut them up into little chunks, and I've added a little bit of lemon juice, like a tablespoon or so, just for a little extra flavor, as well as to make sure that they don't turn brown while I'm getting all the other ingredients ready. So what we're gonna do, now that the apples are all in here, my hands are washed and ready to go, I'm gonna add in the brown sugar, the blueberries, the cinnamon, the vanilla, and for an added little cool crunch, almonds. I'm just going to use one hand try and just mix everything together. Alright, so that is looking great. Everything is well incorporated and everything's got a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of brown sugar. It's ready to go. Let's move on to the crumble. So the crumble is totally easy. It's really just throwing everything together, just like the apples and blueberries. Totally simple. So we're gonna start with the oats. Add to that the flour. With that, we add a little more brown sugar. Now you can opt to leave the brown sugar out if you want. If you want your crumble to be not as sweet, totally your choice. I like a little sweetness, and it is Treat Yourself Sunday, so you're allowed. All right, gonna add in a little bit of baking soda, cinnamon. Mix this up quickly. All right, now that that's done, we're gonna add in the vegan butter. Now what we're looking for is to just get a crumble. It's gotta look like wet sand in clumps. All right, can you see that? That's what we're looking for, stuff that is in clumps. You can break it apart and it's still in little clumps. So, very simple. Take your fruit, add the crumble to the top. I've already got the oven preheated to 350, so it's all ready to go. And then just spread this out evenly across the top of your fruit and almonds. Alright, so once you've got something that looks pretty even, it's time to add it to the oven. Now, like I said, I've got it set to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna leave it in there for about 30 minutes, just to make sure everything gets to, just suck up all the juices, all the flavors and everything. It's gonna be an awesome, beautiful crumble once it's ready to go. So I'm not actually gonna eat this right now because it is way too hot. It just came out of the oven. It smells incredible, but I'm not burning my mouth. Yeah, I'm just gonna smell it for now. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and then treat myself. You can go do the same. And I'll see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye!